Information Management Platform Capability Maturity Assessment. Introduction. Many organizations have initiated analytics, insights, and data platform modernization initiatives in the cloud. All such organizations need a vision and a roadmap on information platform modernization. Also, they need to assess the need for emerging cloud technologies in their existing data environment and suggest its applicability and use cases. Oracle's modern information management platform on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure has all the required capabilities that could meet all the KPIs and use cases of organizations. Oracle can help organizations in conducting information management platform maturity assessment on Oracle Cloud, and as a part of this assessment, Oracle can develop a strategy and create a roadmap for information management platform modernization on the cloud. Conduct workshops to assess the current state. Provide technical product review and fitment analysis. Provide a report to the organizations on how they can leverage modern information management platform products on the cloud. Provide modern information management platform reference architecture on Oracle Cloud. Provide maturity assessment scores and with a capability matrix for each dimension. And help organizations to seamlessly migrate to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure modern information management platform. As part of this maturity assessment, Oracle can conduct the maturity assessment for the following information management platform dimensions: data repository HDFS, appliance, in-memory, object storage, databases. Data provisioning and self-service by on-demand, real-time, and near real-time. Data virtualization by data federation, data warehouse extension, big data integration. Data integration patterns. Data integration hub architecture, entity confirmation, hierarchy, reference data, etc. Reporting, visualization and analytics. Data governance, data catalog, and metadata management. Data acquisition and ingestion. Engagement approach. Introduction. To enable organizations' modern information management platform modernization initiative, Oracle will conduct assessment of 8 technology components, identified current gaps, understand organizations' business needs and developed a target state architecture. Oracle will use the following methodology during the engagement approach to come up with the final assessment report. Information Management Platform Maturity Assessment Strategy. Current state gaps. Key pain points. Tools-related issues. Integration problems. Future vision. Oracle has completed this engagement in 4 phases. The overall plan is represented in the figure below. Engagement approach. Key pain points. Tools-related issues. Current capabilities. Key pain points on match merge. Customer data problems. Employee data-related problems. Tools-related issues. Current capabilities. Business-related issues. Key pain point related to ETL operations. Problems in ingesting unstructured and semi-structured data. Key findings and issues related to real-time and near real-time ingestion. Understand how organization is currently using its data warehouse environment. Gathered big data and Hadoop requirements. Key pain points related to data repository. Staging area related issues. Tools issues. Existing infrastructure scalability issues. Understand analytics, machine learning, data science and predictive analytics usage in organization. Gather business-related analytics requirements for e.g. for a bank A enterprise risk, business bank, treasury, finance, retail sales, retail operations, corporate marketing, and wealth management and continuous improvement group. Pain points related to analytics. Future requirements. Tools relate issues. Current running analytic programs and issues. Key pain points in data integration that are related to virtualization. Key pain points in analytics that are related to virtualization. Understand the current issues in terms of provisioning the data and using it for self-service business intelligence. Understand how organization wanted to use the provisioned data for ETL and other integration operations. Key pain points related to data provisioning. Key pain points related to self-service by present future state solution architecture. Collect incorporated the feedback from organization DMO team. Strawman architecture diagrams. Technology stack. Present future roadmap and discuss the feasibility in implementing the future state reference architecture. Future state roadmap. Dimensional analysis. Data repository dimension has always been a primary focus of this assessment. Oracle will perform a detailed dimension analysis of this dimension and study at a high level how other 7 dimensions would integrate with it. We would fine-tune our strategies and methodologies and come up with a solution that would seamlessly integrate the other 7 dimensions with data repository. Business analytics pattern self-service business. Questionnaire responses. Workshop notes. Business analytics pattern near real-time reporting. Questionnaire responses. Workshop notes. Prep workshop notes. Workshop notes. Prep workshop notes. Questionnaire responses. 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 Future state architecture. Oracle would take 4-step approach to develop the future state data architecture for organization. Oracle will consider the following inputs that would help to craft the future state reference architecture. All the information-related business capabilities, information/data systems, existing financial platforms, EDW, technology infrastructure, and governance will be carefully analyzed during current state analysis across all the dimensions. Current state analysis. Current capabilities. Future requirements. Gap analysis. Exhibit 2, Exhibit title. Recommendations and action plan. Based on the future state architecture, Oracle would recommend the next action plan and the feasibility of the target state reference architecture. All the necessary assumptions will be carefully documented during the recommendation approach. Also, the key risks involved in achieving the end target reference architecture will be considered and mentioned as part of the deliverable. The following non-functional requirements will also be considered while providing recommendation and action plan in migrating to the cloud. Agility, scalability, flexibility, reusability, portability, supportability, scoring methodology. All the capabilities will be given equal weightage while calculating the scores between 1 to 5, 1 being nascent and 5 being visionary. An average has been taken to get the overall score. Score for each dimension equals sum of scores of all the capabilities. Total number of capabilities. Scoring drivers. Current state capability matrix. Introduction. Oracle will assess organizations' information management platform capabilities in the following 8 dimensions. Data repository. Provisioning and self-service business intelligence. Data virtualization. Data integration. Data integration hub. No capability matrix has been provided below, as integration hub is architectural view of data repository. Reporting, visualization and analytics. Operationalization of data governance and data catalog. Data acquisition and ingestion. All the capabilities for 8 dimensions will be assessed based on 5 maturity levels. They are: maturity levels. Sample scores. Here are few sample reports and scores. Data repository sample scores. Organization currently manages a wide variety and a high volume of data. However, they require some additional capabilities to perform advanced analytics on such data at an enterprise level. They also need some advanced analytics tools and technologies to extract, load and transform such variety, volume, and velocity data. Their current data warehouse is also not fully utilized at an enterprise level. Data repository score. Organization average score 1.33. Organization is still working on its business strategy on how to handle high volume, high velocity, and wide variety of data and drive business value out of it. Also, they are still working on big data architecture, analytics framework, data governance, and operational readiness strategy. Hence all these capabilities have been measured at nascent level. Organization has already started adopting big data analytics at a project-specific level and started handling structured/semi-structured data. Hence are in pre-adoption phase. Overall on data repository that includes both data warehouse and big data organization has been positioned between nascent and pre-adoption levels. Data provisioning and self-service business intelligence sample score provisioning and self-service by score. Overall score 2.16. Organization has already been using several self-service by tools, OB, Hyperion, and IBM Cognos. However, they are unable to get more value out of it due to lack of provisioning and quality data. Hence at early adoption stage. Currently the advanced visualization is not yet part of the organization capabilities. However, there are some of the labs who are using SAS advanced visualization in a silos. OLAP analysis and data discovery are in early adoption stage for organization as they are using to address the business problems right now and helping the business in decision-making process. However, they haven't standardized the solution across the organization. Organization is still working on capabilities such as alerts, role-based access and data lineage in terms of self-servicing, hence they have been measured at nascent stage. Overall data provisioning and self-service by dimension of organization has been assessed at an early adoption stage. Data virtualization sample score. Data virtualization is not a new concept to organization. They have already gathered lot of knowledge in terms of data federation, data encapsulation, and data abstraction. They are aware where data virtualization can be leveraged. They are currently in the process of procuring and implementing it as part of their enterprise data warehouse replatforming strategy. Here is the capability matrix for data virtualization. Data virtualization score. Organization average score 1. Data virtualization has been well thought at organization, however it is not implemented so far and being budgeted as part of EDW implementation. Hence all the capabilities under the data virtualization have been measured at nascent level. Overall organization data virtualization dimension is at nascent maturity level. Data integration sample score. Organization has already been using Informatica tools for data integration and still need to use at an enterprise level. Organization is also using change data capture, message queuing, and web services for data integration. Organization average score 2.16. Organization has been handling ETL operations successfully at a corporate level for all the structured content. However, the solutions are not at an optimal level, hence we measured it at an early adoption stage. Organization has also been using tools and technology for various integration strategies and adopted them, however they didn't implement at an enterprise level and still using in project-specific requirements. Hence measured tools and technology in early adoption. Process, and ETL for semi-structured and unstructured data are still being adopted. Teams are still working on methods and technologies to resolve the problems related to unstructured and semi-structured data. Hence these two capabilities are at pre-adoption stage. Organization has been using tools for web services and messaging services to integrate with other systems. However, they still have challenges in handling real-time, near real-time data. Also, they have similar challenges in handling high-volume web data. Hence this capability has been measured at pre-adoption stage. Finally, web/messaging services and real-time ingestion and integration has still been a challenge for the organization to implement. Hence these are still at nascent level. Based on the overall score, organization data integration capability between pre-adoption and early adoption stage. Analytics, reporting and visualization sample score. Organization team has identified 5 patterns that are in demand across the organization. They are self-service by, real-time and near real-time analytics, dashboards, security role-based landing, and alerts/notifications. They have already started working on analyzing these patterns and working on gathering information related to tools and techniques. Analytics reporting and visualization score. Organization average score 2.32. Organization has been working at a corporate level extensively on reporting, dashboards, data modeling and by applications that use business intelligence reports. Usage of ad hoc reporting and organization-level data management policies and processes have not been adopted at an enterprise level. Risk Business Unit uses SAS Platform for predictive analytics, Treasury uses QRM, Credit Risk uses Moody's. All these business units use their own analytics solutions. Hence measured at level early adoption. Other capabilities: interactive visualization, search-based data discovery, online analytical processing, business and data mashup, embedded analytics, mobile buy and support to big data capabilities. Though they have been identified as key requirements, they have not been used and not even at a rudimentary state, hence at nascent level. Overall analytics, reporting and visualization dimension capabilities have been measured between pre-adoption and early adoption level. Operationalization of data governance and data catalog sample score. Organization is currently in process of effectively implementing proactive solutions to resolve data governance challenges. Most of the organization business units are project-based. Organization data governance team confronts the problems only after they occur. Multiple systems support the organization's transactional and decision-making needs. While certain employees in the organization appreciate the relevance of data governance, they are yet to develop a robust strategic vision to meet short-term and long-term goals and objectives of data governance. Organization currently uses Informatica metadata management tool. However, the usage of the tool is in pre-adoption stage and it is still not being explored to the maximum level at an enterprise level. Data Governance Council plays an advisory board role, whereas Data Governance Office plans, sponsors, and manages data management projects and services. Organization is at an early adoption level on both these capabilities. Exhibit 3, Data Governance Score. Organization average score 2.4. Data Governance Council and Organization, JO capabilities have been identified and they started adopting to the same. Hence these two capabilities are in early adoption state. Stewardship, policies, and principles capabilities have been identified but not adopted so far. Hence they have been measured at pre-adoption state. Overall data governance and metadata management has been measured at early adoption stage. Data acquisition and ingestion sample score. Data acquisition and ingestion score. Organization average score 2.2. Organization is currently handling many ingestion problems related to legacy data and variety of data. All these capabilities are not matured and they still require proper tools and technologies to handle those problems. Hence the ingestion capabilities to handle legacy data and variety of data have been measured at pre-adoption stage. All the high-volume and high-velocity data ingestion capabilities are still being considered to be at a nascent state. Organization team is acquiring and ingesting all the structured data with the usage of tools and approaches. Hence in corporate adoption level. Overall organization's data ingestion and acquisition capability is at early adoption stage. Overall capability matrix sample score. Converging all the above capability matrices into one matrix, here is the overall organization's maturity matrix. Note: financial services industry average scores provided below are based on few standard industry reports and private organization scores. These scores are only for the comparison and might not be to the context of organization, as every organization has its own criteria to measure capabilities. Organization data maturity score.